let's move myself out of the way. So, best thing to do is fork the repository. So you've got a copy of this to your account. Then I want to use Hyvä. So there's two prerequisites, which is a Hyvä license, which is now free, big up Hyvä, and there's a Hyvä project name. So we're going to go to hyvä.io. If you don't have a full domain, they said just use a test one for now, and then you can update this once your site's going live. So this will be your Hyvä project's name, env value, and then show token, and then copy this value as your license key. Okay, so once you've got those two env values set, I'll just show you how you set them. So settings, sequence and variables, and Codespaces. So set those two env values here, then just code and start a new Codespace instance. So that's going to start a new one here. I have already started one, like Blue Peter. Here's one I created earlier. So I'll just click that, which will then kind of open. So once you've got a Codespace already existing, it will be a lot faster to start. So you'll see how quickly the whole instance starts. So terminals available to use, and the site's ready. So as you can see now, we've fixed the media. So you've got all the media assets, all the categories work. And that's it. You can then commit these 4 files and you've got your development environment ready to use. So yeah, enjoy.